Hey, it's Dawn here at Ribbit Media Solutions, and in this video I am going to show you how you will never be scratching your head looking for content again, because this incredible tool is the answer to your prayers, and that is called answerthepublic.com. Now, what answerthepublic.com does is it actually finds all of the questions that people are asking out there on Google and in Bing, and it pulls it through into a really nice visually represented image for you so that you can really easily see what people are searching for. So let me dive in now, and I'm going to show you exactly how to use this tool. So as you can see, this is the first page when you go into answerthepublic.com that you will come to, and we have our little box here that allows us to put our keyword in here. So it's saying, ask the seeker, enter your keyword and he'll suggest content ideas in seconds. I'm going to show you exactly how this works. If I was to put in the word, for example, stress, okay, let me just pop that in there, because I've already searched for this in answerthepublic.com as well, and I've put some other different keywords in. It also brings up the keywords that you've already been looking for within answerthepublic.com, and all I've done there is clicked on return, and it's basically now pulled up 143 questions that have been asked around the keyword stress. Okay, so I just pop that into that search bar, hit my return, and this is what it's pulled up. So you can see how quick that was. It actually got there before I'd finished what I was actually saying. So this is what I mean by a visual representation of a keyword. Now in the middle here we've got the word stress. What answerthepublic.com have done for you is they've categorized this now into the types of questions that people are asking, with starting with how. So when people are searching for things, they're actually searching for solutions. You know, they have a problem and they want to find the answer. So they're saying, how can I do this? Are there any of this? Where this? Which? The who? The what? The when? The why? People are asking these things, and therefore this is the type of content now that you want to be looking at and thinking, okay, I can create a video around this. I can create a blog post around this. I can create a video series around this. I can create a whole month worth of content around a particular keyword that people are actually searching and looking for. So looking at this, we've got the how. So like how stress affects learning. Now, if that's something that's in your niche and that's something that you do within your business, then you could kind of take that and think, right, okay, how does it affect learning? And you'll know anyway if this is your particular niche. I'm just using this as an example for this particular video. But whatever is coming out here for you, the how, look at what the question is. How can you then take that and maybe either create one video, or look at it and think, could I actually create a 3-part video series? Could I create a monthly, you know, like we're having a whole month on how stress affects learning, and create a campaign around that for an entire month. So this is really going to help you to figure out what you can create and who you can create it for. So again, take a look at that. I'm going to come back up to how you can actually get this information into a nice graph for yourself as well. But then what we've got is we've got the preposition. So it's pulled out 140 prepositions as well, all again based around this word stress. So it'll say things like, you know, we've got the like, the for, without, the with, the versus, the to, and the near. So let's look at the verses. So we've got stress versus trauma, stress versus burnout, stress versus strength. So again, you know, a lot of people within business, you know, stress and burnout kind of is coupled together. But what's the difference between that? So again, that'd be a great blog post to help people understand the meanings of this as well. Again, you know, stress versus pressure. So it's the versus something else that you can incorporate that. So whatever keyword you've put in there, it will come up with the keyword versus something that it actually is linked to as well. So stress being linked to things like, you know, trauma, pressure, distress, burnout, pressure, anxiety, all that kind of thing. So what it's done is it's pulled all those keywords out and given you an idea as to another topic that you could have. You know, why is one better than the other, or why do they both, you know, complement each other, or whatever that could be as well. So as you can see, that's 2 visual elements that we've got there. And then what they also do is they put it into a alphabetical listing for you as well. So again, you've got all of these in an alphabetical listing. So let me just scroll to the top here again. So as you can see, what we had here was the keyword stress in the visual format. If you were to click on data here, it gives you the exact same, but more of a list. So if you're more of a list person, then you might want to see the where and have all of this here. So you can really see that easily as well in a list if that's what you want. But then what we can do is, again, if you like this visual element and we've got all of these around, you think, right, okay, I'm going to work on the house and I like this graph. All we do is where it says save the image, click in there and it will bring up a PNG file for you. Once you've got this PNG file, click in there, and what we've got here is our visual representation. All you would do then is go into, print. So if you're going to print this off, go into there, and you've got this nice little chart. Go and print that and you've got that in a file. So you don't have to be writing things down. I would then get maybe a highlighter and highlight all the things that you are knowledgeable about, the things that actually stand out to you and think, I've not covered that topic. That'd be a great one. That'd be a great one. Literally go around this whole wheel and highlight things from there. And then what you might want to do is, if it's a particular question, let me just pop back over here. So if it's something like, are stress and depression related, then that could just be one keyword that you pull out, and then maybe in a document or in a notepad, maybe write some ideas that you could put together, maybe a video series, or whether it's just one article or one blog. But that's really, really going to help you to create this never-ending stream of content. And the other thing I want to show you is you can either do that or you can export this as a CSV file. So again, what this has done is, whether you're on Excel or whether you use Numbers, this will basically populate this as well. So if I was to click on there, what we've got here is a list. And again, this list is like you having to, stops you from having to create a Google document with all of this, because you've actually got your own list of lots and lots and lots of keywords as well. You can take that list and you can see what that pulls through for you as well. So when you want to get started with another keyword, just click on create a new report. And once you actually go on to create a new report, you can put in another search term there. All I did was, stress management. That pulled through 90 different results again for stress management. It could be that you've got stress in business. So we've got a few different ones that have pulled through in there. We've got stress solutions. So it didn't actually pull the questions through, but it pulled the prepositions through as well. So I do hope that you make great use of this tool, which is answerthepublic.com, and you should be able to now create a never-ending stream of content ideas. You've got ideas for headlines as well. So think about the blogs and the headlines that you could then go and use for your email when you're sending emails out, headlines for Facebook posts and Twitter and all that kind of thing. So do enjoy, and any comments you've got, please put them below. If you haven't already subscribed to the Socially Riveting News, please do go and subscribe, where I send you lots of tips, tricks, hacks, and all kinds of different things that are going to help you in your business as well. So have a great day and enjoy creating an endless stream of content.